Hi, I'm here. I'm going to be able to translate any word from English into German. Be useful if you go like on vacation to Germany, or if you ever move to Germany. Be really useful. Or even in Europe, lots of people speak German. So yeah, I'm going to be here able to translate any word from English to German. I'm going to start out with a couple easy words. For example, book, pen, and cake. Book, spelled B-L-O-K in English. Pen, P-E-N, and cake, C-A-K-E. Book in German is B-U-C-H, pronounced Buch. Pen in German is spelled S-T-I-F-T, pronounced Stift. The S-T makes the S-H sound, so it's a Stift. And cake is pronounced Kuchen. K-U-C-H-E-N. Kuchen. So here you can see book, Buch, pen, Stift, cake, Kuchen. Yeah, if you ever want to know any German words or phrases or sentences, just leave a comment under the page. I'll try to make a video every Monday and Wednesday translating German words, and most English word or translating English words into German. Most English words I can even translate into Latin, so if you want that, I can do that also. So yeah, leave comments about any German or English words you want to have translated. Tell me in what language, Latin or German. Yep. So yeah, leave comments, and every Monday and Wednesday I'll make a new video.